Hey guys, so I just got my it's like a ball storage here, so it's a basket, and I'm gonna be setting it up here, but we're probably gonna speed run through this because it'll take me a second. Hey guys, so I just finished building this ball kind of storage rack here, and so it took a little bit to build. I mean, it took probably 10 to 20 minutes to build, but it's nice. It's got this little rack here that you can hold on and you can push it around with, and then also the elastics around here to hold the balls in, so that was nice. And then also it comes with these hooks on the side, so you can hook whatever you need, and then also this little dinghy here. I'm not exactly sure what it's for, but I think holding maybe a racket or something of that sort. But I put the wheels on, but also you have the option for just the stompers so that it doesn't scrape the ground, and then you can just put it in a corner somewhere, and then you don't have to worry about it moving anywhere. So this is cool. I like it. The elasticity is cool, and it works exactly how it needs to, so this is perfect. I give it a thumbs up.